Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to unpair Bluetooth earphone in our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to unpair this as Bluetooth earphone, so guys you can unpair. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Bluetooth earphone in our Vivo phone. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to unpair this Bluetooth earphone, and guys click on Bluetooth and devices setting. Guys click on Bluetooth, and as you can see we have paired this Bluetooth earphone. So I right side guys setting option guys tap here, and guys click on forget, then guys it will unpair in your Vivo phone. Guys you can see this red light means guys Bluetooth earphone has unpair, and guys we will off it. So guys this earphone will unpair in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends we have understood how to unpair Bluetooth earphone in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.